Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little bit type of different video. It's not going to be a sourcing video. It's not going to be a picking video. We are going to open up some sports cards. We have 2 packs of Prestige 2021 football right here. They have 30 cards in each pack. And we also got 2 packs of 2021 Hockey Extended Series Upper Deck. The kids want to start getting into collecting cards, so we were out tonight up at Target, and they actually had some packs of cards, which they normally don't anymore because cards are super hard to find and prices have went up. So I picked these up. I'm going to open them up and show you what we got. So I'm going to flip around the camera and we'll get to opening these. So we're going to open these up right here. In the football, we're going to be really looking for Steelers. In this one, we're going to be looking for Penguins. I know you can find some young gun rookies in here, but we're also in this one going to look for some of the bigger rookies from this year. Trevor Lawrence, Joe Burrow. Well, I guess he was last year. But some of those guys from this year's draft class. So we're going to start with the football. We're going to open these up and see what we find. I know the kids are kind of super excited to check these out in the morning, but we're gonna find out what we got. Looks like we actually got a little bit of color right here, so I'm gonna try to show these to you. Let me adjust the camera just a little bit more. There we go. That should work right there. So right here we got a Chandler Jones from the Arizona Cardinals, Amari Cooper from the Dallas Cowboys. We don't like the Cowboys here in Pittsburgh, but that's okay. Tua Tagliavoa from the Miami Dolphins. That's a pretty good one. He's a pretty good rookie here. So that one goes set off to the side. J.K. Dobbins of the Baltimore Ravens. He had a season-ending knee injury, so he's out for the year, but I think he'll be up and coming. Derek Brown of the Panthers. And we got our first Steeler in the next card. Deontay Johnson. That's a pretty cool one. I don't know where he went to college at. Doesn't really say. That's pretty cool. So we got our first Steeler. Laviska Shenault Jr. from the Jaguars. If I remember right, part of me wants to say he's a rookie. No, never mind. He's not. Terry McLaurin from the Redskins. Pretty good receiver. Jalen Hurts from the Eagles, which that's a good one. Jalen's a pretty big name. Oh, I put Derek Brown in the wrong pile. Tua. LaMichael Perrine from the Jets. I probably said, if I might mispronounce some of these names, guys. I'm not too familiar with some of them, so if I mispronounce them, I'm very sorry. Then we got this first one's Extra Points. Devin Bush from the Steelers. That's actually really cool. Is it numbered? Not numbered. Really cool there. That's a really cool card. Got some it's like, I think that's the Starburst parallel. The next one, we have a rookie, Trey Lance from the San Francisco 49ers. That's actually a really good rookie right there. Trey Lance. Let's see, is that one numbered? Nope, that's not numbered either. That's actually a really good one. That's actually a rookie. We're actually going to move Tua because I thought Tua was a rookie, but he's not. So that's a rookie because it has the rookie symbol on it. We have Any Given Sunday, Jalen Hurts. I guess when they beat the Saints 24-21. It's a pretty cool insert. We'll set that off to the side. Mahomes' magical arm leads to 5 touchdowns. That's a pretty cool one. Then we got a nice Tyreek Hill insert. Time stamped. 132 in the first quarter. None of these these don't look like they are serial numbered. I'm not sure if any of the inserts in here are. Youth Movement. This is Josh Jacobs of the Raiders. Pretty cool one. And we got Jalen Waddle, rookie for the Dolphins. That's actually a really nice one there. We have another rookie, Racy McMath of the Titans, wide receiver. Demetric Felton of the Browns. I haven't heard that name yet, so I don't know if any of these ones are numbered in this one. So Michael Strachan from the Colts, wide receiver. Pretty cool card. Then we have Zach Moss of the Bills. Jermaine Pratt of the Bengals. Zach Cunningham of the Texans. Tyreek Hill of the Chiefs. Christian Kirk of the Cardinals. Anthony Barr of the Vikings. Odell Beckham of the Browns. Anthony Ferkshire of the Titans. I guess he's a receiver, tight end. Let's see, it doesn't say. Jamal Adams of the Seahawks. And Adam Thielen of the Vikings. So that's pack number 1. Not too bad, especially we pulled 2 Steelers out of that first pack. So really happy with that, especially getting the Reggie Bush Sunburst. That's a good one. So let's get this one. Looks like we have a kids reporter card on the back, which they can have a chance to report from the Super Bowl. So it looks like we got our 2 Sunbursts here again. Looks like we got, yep. So there's a kids reporter card there. See if my kids want to enter, but that's okay. They might. Young Ho Koo, the kicker for the Falcons. You don't see too many kicker cards. Tyrann Mathieu, the Chiefs. Good card there. Jamal Williams of the Lions, pictured. Robbie Anderson of the Panthers. Kelvin Ridley. Myles Garrett of the Browns. Mike Evans of the Buccaneers, who just recently caught Tom Brady's 600th touchdown pass and gave it away to a fan. Because it seems like he gives footballs away every time he catches them, so that's pretty cool. John Brown. Tyler Lockett. Antonio Gibson. Our first Sunburst is going to be Justin Herbert of the Chargers. That's a really good one there. Good pull. Justin Herbert's a good young quarterback for the Chargers. Happy with that one. I'll put that off there. And Christian McCaffrey of the Panthers. I drew a blank there for a second. Not numbered. He's a pretty good running back, but just cannot stay healthy in my eyes. So I'll put that one there. Then we have Prestigious Pros. Matt Ryan of the Falcons. Pretty cool card there. Powerhouse. Joey Bosa of the Chargers. Any Given Sunday, Josh Allen. It's a pretty good one, too. Then we have Franchise Favorites, Elvin Kamara. Yeah, I don't think any of these are numbered. That's okay. Tylan Wallace, the Ravens rookie. Let's put that rookie pal. Trey Nixon, the Patriots. Javion Hawkins, Falcons rookie. Eric Stokes of the Packers rookie. Then we have David Montgomery. Jabril Peppers of the Giants. Marquise Brown, the Ravens. Jeremy Chin of the Panthers. Jalen Ramsey of the Rams. Damian Harris. Oh, we got a Big Ben Roethlisberger of the Steelers. We're pretty good with the Steelers here. Josh Allen. Devin White. And Deebo Samuel. So those were our 2 packs of Prestige 2021 Panini. It's a 30 card value pack sold at Target. Let me see. Sorry. 30 card value pack sold at Target. So pretty good value here. I mean, I think they were like $3.99 each pack. So I think we did pretty good. Some good rookies, some good parallels. So pretty happy with that. So check out our next video where we're going to do the 2021 hockey. I'm going to do that in a separate video. Keep it separate, hockey, football. But we're going to open these up next, so keep your eyes open for the next video showing these. Remember, hit the bell notification so you'll notify when this one comes out, and also hit that subscribe button so you watch some of our other videos, and maybe you'll laugh and learn something. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.